so this is build 22,000.51. This is the ISO that Microsoft said they weren't going to be releasing, and well, here it is. This right here is a new build that we haven't seen or heard anything about called Windows 11 Team. Here's another one that's called Windows 11 Cloud, and then Cloud N, so that's the European version that doesn't have all the media stuff embedded. Scrolling is kind of glitchy. And then down here we have Enterprise for Virtual Desktops, as well as Internet of Things Enterprise. But I am going to be playing around with Windows 11 Team and Windows 11 Cloud. So first, we're going to install Windows 11 Team. And because this is a technical preview, there's no Microsoft agreement. So I still have the drives out of RAID right now, so I'm just going to install it on the first drive. And I'm just going to right back into the USB installer, and I'm going to install Windows 11 Cloud. And again, no service agreement, and I'm going to install it on the second drive. Interesting how the first one only has 3 partitions. Normally for UEFI there's 4. Okay, so we got Windows 10 and Windows 10 Team. So let's play with Windows 10 Team first, which is Windows 11 Team. Well, that's new. Oh, we have Cortana. Stop that. Okay, so this is very much the Windows 10 setup. Oh, this is new. Enter device account info. Domain, username, or someone at example.com, and then a password. I'll skip that. Enter a friendly name. Use Active Directory domain service. Use Microsoft Azure Active Directory. Create a local admin account instead. Windows 11 Team. Yeah, let's keep that really secure. Oh, you actually have to have a password. Huh. Spacebar? Okay. It makes you have a password. Interesting. No. Okay, so it's got that new font. Same background splash. And that was a lot faster than normal Windows 11. Getting ready for the next session. Surface Hub Firebird, pre-release 22,000.1. Interesting. Available. Call. Whiteboard. Connect. Sign in. Oh, there's a Windows button. Okay. Open apps and start, or tap end session. Tap. So this is for touch screens. Aha. Settings on this device, including those that impact your security and privacy, are managed by your organization. For more information, contact your support person. So I can't even go to settings. Whiteboard. Oh, username. What did I make my username? Damn it. Username or password is incorrect. No, I'm pretty sure I made the password spacebar. That doesn't work. Really should have made these easier to remember. Hey, there we go. Surface Hub Device Account Management. Oh, we can't resize these. Okay, can move them. Oh my god, the frame rate, Jesus. Account Device Management. There's no back button. This might be like swipe gestures. There's 2 abouts. Version 10.0, build 22,000.1. What's in the other about? Exact same thing. It's not activated. Good. What else do we got in here? Microsoft Whiteboard. Oh, no. I can't draw. It just wants to move it around. What are these? Hey. Whoa. I mean, if Microsoft Whiteboard tells you to. Microsoft Power BL. Hey, that's a Windows phone. Are they bringing the Windows phone back? Skip, start exploring. Can I make this bigger? Oh, this one works. Okay, HR manager, CFO, director of marketing, customer care. So this is definitely something for businesses. This is probably a layout for like a point of sale or something. Interesting. This folder is empty. Oh, we can't go to like the root directory. Aha. Oh. Weird. It's super locked from everything. How do I close this? Oh. Whoa. What? What? Well, this is fun, but... Oh. Okay, that did nothing. How do I shut this down? I can only restart. Well, this is probably some kind of like point of sale thing or something for employees for a super lightweight operating system, because I don't even see like the Microsoft Store or anything. So there's probably a group policy that forces the installs of programs onto this, and then everything is just kind of organized business related in session. Yes? Oh, we're back here. This takes a while. Well, Teams is built in, obviously. Makes sense. Office and everything. So yeah, this is just like a super lightweight, like business operating system. How the hell do I turn this off? Okay, apparently we can just restart. And hopefully that brings up the boot manager, so then we can select Windows 11 Cloud. We'll start setting that up. Okay, so that's this top one here, Windows 10. So that's going to be Windows 11 Cloud. Okay. It's literally telling me to update before it even started, and it wants me to connect to the internet. Skip. Okay, I guess it can have its internet this time. Okay. Let's try reinstalling that, because it's not working. Okay, Windows 11 Cloud. You can also see that this build is from June 5th. Go back here. June 5th. So this is a really old build. These ones here, these are the ones that we just got on the 28th. So there's still many new things to come. Okay, let's install to drive 0. Okay, so this one is back to the regular Windows 11 setup screen. Let's see if there's anything new in here. Oh, interesting. I can't skip the network setup. Well, that was different. This is back to normal. Sign in options, offline account. Okay, personal use again. Oh, weird. Sign in options, offline account, limited experience. It just goes right back. It forces you to sign in. Okay. Now we can turn all this stuff off. Oh, interesting. So it asks if we want to save files in OneDrive or on the computer. Wow. Okay, this really doesn't have a lot of bloatware in it. There is nothing pre-installed. But what is Flipgrid? Enter a join code. This must be like Microsoft's take on Chrome OS, because we have students and educators. Log in, sign up, educators. That does nothing. Okay, got nothing here, nothing here. Windows 11 SE, and this one just says build 22,000. So what does it say in settings? Everything in here looks relatively the same. Yeah, this doesn't even say Windows 11 Cloud. It says Windows 11 SE. And here it says it's 22,000.51. So that is the current build that this ISO is for. Personalization, nothing out of the ordinary there. Windows Update, just a bunch of drivers. What's Windows Tools? Oh, okay, awesome. So what if we try and go to, oh, whoa, we don't have access to this PC. So we can't go to Control Panel. Yeah, we can't access the hard drive at all. Your organization has restricted it. Okay, so this is definitely for students. So that's interesting. This PC isn't set up securely. Your data may be at risk. Contact your retailer or manufacturer for service and repair. I wonder if that's because I don't have secure boot on. Interesting. Detected 0 devices. So it won't even let us access the GPU on this. Okay, we can install files. Can still access everything. I have no idea what I'm doing in here. Oh, it now says version 21H2 instead of version dev. Via control panel is not found. What? Windows 11 SE operating system. So that's it for this one. Let's see what else we could try. What is Internet of Things Enterprise? Okay, so the camera died while I was installing Windows 11 Internet of Things Enterprise, and this is it here. I don't really notice anything. It just seems like a regular install. Like there's really nothing out of the ordinary here. Control panel. So you have a lot of new icons, but still have some of the old ones. From what I heard is this is supposed to be implemented into settings, but I think that's in the regular one, so I don't think that's actually anything new. Yeah, so that version didn't actually install anything different. It's just Windows 11 Pro that was rebranded. So that's probably still in the works. That's basically it for this. Hopefully you enjoyed those 2 secret versions of Windows 11. Now this is a technical preview of the ISO. So this is not something that's publicly available. And as far as I've seen from Microsoft, they said that they are not going to be releasing this ISO to the Windows Insider downloads. So maybe read the description. There might be some helpful info there, but otherwise, like the video or dislike it or subscribe or join the members program. Why is the clock always wrong in every build? Oh my god, it's 2 p.m. I haven't slept since 11 a.m. yesterday. Okay, sick. Apparently I've been awake for like 27 hours. Good luck, everybody. Also, like, subscribe, that's cool. Or don't, whatever. It's up to you. Join the Discord. That's cool too.